I'm On, and today I'm going to be talking about drone basics. The first thing you'll want to know is the two types of drones. FPV racing drones, FPV stands for first person view, or camera drones, which have a 3-axis gimbal, up and down, side to side, and right and left, and that helps stabilize the video in windy conditions. And as the name implies, they're used for getting very smooth and good videography and photography. The main differences between the two are the camera. Like I said, the camera drones have a 3-axis gimbal, and the racing drones only have a no-axis gimbal. They just have a camera that's at a fixed angle, and you fly. Now, a racing drone has goggles and a controller, while a camera drone, you put your phone in the controller and hook it up, and through an app, you can see what the drone sees with your phone. And that helps you can actually maintain line of sight with the drone while not having, in FPV, having to have another person looking at the drone. Now, with either of these drones, you can't fly above 400 feet or go out of your line of sight. Those are just some safety precautions. Now, the controller is the same on both drones, almost. On the right side, you have a joystick, which controls the drone's forward, backward, right, and left movement. And on the left side, you have a joystick, which controls the drone's up, down, twist right, and twist left movement. The difference between FPV and camera drones are that on the left side, if you just drop your throttle all the way down, your FPV drone will just drop. Now, if you do that to a camera drone, it will slowly decrease because it's an automatic hovering drone. If you just let go of the controls, it will automatically hover. Now, with a camera drone, it's very automated. It can automatically return to you with a press of a button. You can see very easily what it is and what the drone sees, and you can even control the gimbal up and down movement. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. Whereas in a FPV drone, you just look at the goggles and you fly around as fast as you can. Now, with both of these drones, there are regulations. The FAA makes you register the drone and put a number on the drone. To register the drone, you go to the FAA's website and choose drone registration. Then you fill out their form and you're good to fly. Once you put your registration number on your drone, it has to be clearly visible. It's also a good idea to put your own name on the drone, that way in case you lose it. The best tip that I have for flying these drones is to, at least for FPV drones, to learn how to hover and then slowly learn how to fly the drone around. And don't fly very high. I know it's very tempting, but you can actually only go up to 400 feet. That is with both drones. And the camera drones, they have intelligent flight features, where there are some areas where it is illegal to fly, or at least at the 400 feet, and it will not allow you to go in there. And there are third-party apps like Kitty Hawk and AirMap, which you can use to get instant registration to go and fly at a lower altitude. And you'll get a number, and you can take that and put it in your camera drone app, and then you'll be able to fly. Now, in a FPV drone, you can fly there, it won't do anything. Also, in a camera drone, it will warn you if the wind is too strong or anything. Not so in a FPV drone. But to conclude, both drones are very good drones, and it depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a drone to fly around very fast and to learn with, I'd recommend using a racing drone. If you're looking for a drone to get very good video footage and photos, and you don't really want to put that much time into learning, I'd recommend a camera drone. Both drones are great drones, and my number one tip for you is just to learn with them and push them to their limits. Of course, don't go too high. Are there any questions? Yes?
So, how much does a camera drone cost?
The question was, how much does a camera drone cost? A camera drone costs around $700. Any other questions? Yes?
And how much would a FPV drone cost?
The question was, how much would an FPV drone cost? It would cost around $500, depending on if you built it yourself or bought a pre-made one. Any other questions? All right.